Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Monday, June 22nd. You can see temperatures in the 60s across the area. We expect that some very severe storms could move into the area, especially for late this afternoon through the early morning hours on Tuesday. Looks like about 4 p.m. to 2 a.m. would be the prime time, although we could get storms anytime from later this morning all the way through Tuesday morning. But again, the best bet will be during that time period. And all three major threats, large hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes, are on the table with this system. So keep an eye to the sky in your weather radio or your app on your phone handy if you see threatening weather ahead your way. If we take a look at the current dew point map, you can see mainly in the upper 50s to low 60s. And you'll see those soar, I think, close to 70 or maybe even above 70 late this afternoon as very warm, moist air moves into the state out ahead of that storm. If we take a look at the Storm Prediction Center, you can see the enhanced area across much of the lower Michigan, back into Wisconsin, eastern Iowa, northern Illinois, and southeast Minnesota, along with the southern two-thirds of Wisconsin again. So very active weather pattern going to be shaping up for later today. And if we take a look at the surface analysis map, this is the 2-hour pressure change. You can see the low pressure about 1,001 millibar, or about 29.55 inches. And you can see the pressure falls have been greatest to the northeast of that, indicating the low will trek across southeast Minnesota up towards Wisconsin and the UP. And again, that's going to drag a lot of warm, moist air. You can see thunderstorm complex from South Dakota getting ready to move into Minnesota. And if we take a look at the satellite loop here, we've got it rocking back and forth, and you can see that explosive development across Dakotas moving into Minnesota. Again, the timing of that would be probably around the early to mid-afternoon hours in Michigan if it holds together. But again, the second area of storms that's going to develop along with the front could really be the ones I think that's going to bring us the most potential damage. And that would be, again, for the evening hours into the very early hours of Tuesday morning. And if we slide the map over, you can see the amount of precipitation expected from the WPC over the next 7 days. There's going to be another system about Thursday and maybe one for the weekend. And then I think we're going to go into a much cooler pattern as we have very hot temperatures getting ready to set up across much of the western United States, especially up in the northwest. And we'll see a very significant cool down with temperatures probably over 5 degrees below normal for at least a week or 10 days. And that follows a big SOI crash that we're expecting here to develop. So stay tuned to the weather. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day, a great work week, and 73s to all.